Don't replace Tally, empower it with BETS. You started with ledger books, moved to Excel, then embraced accounting software. That has served you well for accounting and compliance, but your food business isn't the same small operation anymore. Complex inventory, production scheduling, and faster deliveries keep you awake at night. What if you don't need to replace accounting system? BETS ERP integrates seamlessly with your existing Tally system. Your accounts team keeps using Tally while operations get advanced tools, track procurement, manage inventory, coordinate production, optimize deliveries, all while maintaining real-time visibility and control. Every transaction flows smoothly into your familiar accounting software. Scale across locations, streamline sales, and ensure quality control. Don't replace what works. Empower it with BETS ERP. Because at BETS, we believe in evolution, not revolution. Connect with BETS and upgrade your Tally now.